Good afternoon. Today in math we are going to be using pictures on the internet to find lines and angles. When you get to your computer, you are going to see a picture of an object. Your job today is to use what you know about lines and angles, what you've learned about lines and angles the last few days, to make a statement about your picture. So in order to do this, you're going to go to the bottom underneath the picture where it says post a comment. You are going to want to, before you type your comment, pick how you're going to leave your comment. You're going to want to select name and URL. Where it says name and URL, then you're going to want to go ahead and type in your name. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Mr. Brocky. On the URL line, you don't have to type anything in. You can just leave that blank. That would be if you had a website or you ran a company. You could leave your web address if you wanted to comment on my picture. So once you've done that, then your comment as should come up. Once you've done that, then you can go ahead, look at the picture, and make your comment. Remember, today you're looking for lines and angles. So you want to look at the picture, and remember, with angles we've studied parallel and perpendicular. So as you're looking at your picture, think about your angles first and think about where you see parallel and perpendicular lines. So I can see in this picture, which was from our math warm-up yesterday, that the beams in the middle of the bridge, those are parallel. I can also see up here at the top that where the beams in this top of the bridge meet, that's perpendicular, that they're forming right angles. Okay, so I'm going to think about those the lines first. Once I have those lines down, then I can go ahead and start thinking about my angles. Remember, we studied 4 different types of angles yesterday. We studied a straight angle, we studied a right angle, we studied obtuse and acute angles. Every picture is going to have different kinds of angles. So as I sit here and look at this, I can see right here that that's a right angle. I can see right here that this goes up and out. That's an obtuse angle. Up here, I have what looks like an obtuse angle up at the top of the bridge. So I have several different angles I can write with. So once I've identified my angles, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in my comment, which, if you flip over a tab, you can see what my comment ended up being.